Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Cyrano, and today's video we're going to be talking about a phone carrier service that I've been using for the past 2 months. You might be in the same ballpark. Maybe you're looking for a phone carrier that you could use with your cell phone, and you may be looking for certain things that the current carrier that you're actually using does not offer. So a lot of the reasons why people switch out to different carriers is they either have bad reception or something like that, or maybe their phone is not compatible anymore with their current network. But whatever the reason may be, hopefully this video does help you out in making a decision on picking up your next SIM card or whatever. But today's video we're going to be talking about the Straight Talk mobile, the Straight Talk wireless plan that I've been using right here. So if this is your very first time to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, and if you're already a part of the crew, salute. But let's just jump into some of the things that I do like about this carrier that I've been using, Straight Talk. And one of the things that's pretty cool that I did notice is when I first switched is that they gave you an option to keep your phone that you're currently using, or you could switch over and upgrade to one of their phones that they do have to offer. Now they have a wide selection of phones from iPhone, Samsung. They even have blue phones on their website, as well as a bunch of other phones that I've never seen before. So if you go on the Straight Talk website, they will offer a bunch of unlocked phones that you can use with their network. And one of the things that's pretty cool is they do offer AT&T and they do offer T-Mobile service. So I opted for the AT&T service from Straight Talk, and basically that means that they have two different networks. They could run it off of the AT&T tower, or they could run it off of the T-Mobile tower, and I chose the AT&T tower. So that's something to just keep in mind, right? Now, the second thing is that, they do have a ton of plans to choose from, starting from like $30. I don't know. Let me see. It starts from like all the way down to $35, and then you can get it up to $65. Now, I'm somewhere in the middle. I got the $45 plan. I'm saying you get unlimited calls nationwide, and you also get unlimited calls to Canada and Mexico. So if you're the type of person who is making phone calls internationally, then you might want to just pay a little bit extra and get the $65 a month plan, because that's going to give you unlimited data, and then you're also going to get unlimited nationwide calls, unlimited international calling, and then the other thing is you're going to get mobile protection as well. That they do offer that in the bundle as well. So that's something just to keep in mind. And if you're the type of person that wants unlimited data, then that would be the perfect plan for you. And for me, I use the Wi-Fi a lot. I'm in the office like half of the day or something like that, so I'm not really using the mobile network as much. I'm using them kind of equally, the Wi-Fi and the mobile connection as well. So that's something that you want to keep in mind. And also, if you do have the $65 a month plan for the hotspot, you're going to get 15 gigabytes of free hotspot. Well, not free, you have to pay for the plan. And then if you get the $45 one that I have, they're going to give you 10 gigabytes of hotspot, which is actually a lot. It's actually pretty cool. And you may be asking, so how much data do you get with the 45 plan that I've been using? Well, I get about 25 gigabytes of their network that they're giving us. So they're giving us 25 gigabytes to use of data. So that for me, I never ran out of data in a month, and I've been using them for like 3 months now. And I never ran out of data from the time that I started using it, from any time in the month. So I figured, you can save about $20 if you're the type of person that does use a lot of Wi-Fi. You do get 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, depending on what phone you have, right? But that's all dependent on your Wi-Fi service. We're talking about the cellular service, which is pretty straightforward. It's pretty fast. I did see that they did update Straight Talk did update to the 5G network some time ago, so that should be rolling out on their network as well. So just in case you were wondering if they do have 5G, they do have that coming. So that should be coming. It should be almost live, I think, right now. But I'm using my Straight Talk SIM right here inside of my N10 Nord, the Nord 5G. And right here it says that I do have like, if I turn off the hotspot, it will say that I have 4G LTE on this device, even though it's supposed to connect to 5G on. Maybe that's like, I don't know. It's not implemented in all areas. When I was in the city, in the Bronx, I was getting 5G. So it just depends on where you are in the nation and the coverage of that area that you're in. But like I said before, 25 gigabytes of internal storage is enough for me. I wasn't able to run out of storage gigabytes. I wasn't able to run out of the data within 1 month, which was pretty cool. So that's something just to keep a note. And when you do get the SIM card, you will get your keep your own. I got this keep your own phone SIM kit, and they do give you a nano, a micro, and standard card holder. So if you have an older phone, they will give you this little card holder for your SIM, and it will fit the standard nano or the micro. And you get unlimited. You know, it says right here, you will need an unlimited 30-day service plan for activation. So you just choose your own plan and you basically get started. This is the 4G LTE one. So I'm getting 4G LTE, but soon they will have like a 5G one that you can get. And I kept my own SIM card and I moved over, and it was really straightforward to set it up. Basically, you just go onto the website and you can set that up really quickly. But like I said, I haven't had any issues with this whatsoever. It's really straightforward. They tell you to insert your SIM card and then go to the website, and then it's basically going to be activated really quickly. It doesn't take too much time whatsoever. And, you know, so this is my first time using the Straight Talk network, and I'm pretty happy with it. Haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. The speeds are really fast. The network reception is always pretty good. It doesn't give me any issues when I'm trying to connect to the internet, when I'm out and about. And, you know, I really do like the network so far. It's the GSM. It's for all unlocked GSM phones. So if you're using a phone carrier under T-Mobile, AT&T, things of that nature, but not Sprint, Verizon, or Boost Mobile, you will be able to get your phone to work on the GSM unlocked network. And it's compatible with most devices, so it was able to work on my BlackBerry, it was able to work on my Yuma Digiphones, it was able to work on my on some of the phones that are less traditional in the US market that you want to bring over and still use it, like Huawei or Honor or things like that. Xiaomi phones it will work with. So pretty much any phone it should be able to work with. It's very compatible with a large variety of phones and things like that. So that's one of the things that you should know about the Straight Talk prepaid services. Also, you're not locked into a contract, so you could pay as you go and you could choose your plan, right? So you could choose a long-term plan with auto pay, and when you do auto pay, it takes $1 off of your bill every month. So I think that's pretty cool because you'll save money and you won't have to worry about paying your bill every month. And they have like these 3-month, even like, you know, they have these long-term plans, right? They have like 3 months, 6 months, and stuff like that. So you can get a bunch of plans. You could also get extended year plan for up to a year, which they'll do. So you could pay the whole year out, and it's pretty cool. But they also do have home, phone, and Wi-Fi for about $30 a month. They also do have remote alert plan. I'm not sure what that is. The data plan they have for $15 as well, so that's really cool. But you could always do like add-ons and stuff like that. So you could add $5 a month and get you could just add on data at your own designation. But it's really straightforward, really easy to use. I think the website is very user friendly, very straightforward. They have a lot of unlocked phones that you could take advantage of if you're looking to purchase one while you update your SIM card and stuff like that, or you could just bring your own phone like I said before. But let me know what you think about the Straight Talk At&T SIM card with the 4G LTE in it. I have the $45 a month plan. So far, it's been working perfect for me. But let me know if you've ever used it before and if it's something that you would look into in the future. But I'm going to get right back with you. I'm going to show up in the comment section and answer all of your questions. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll get right back with you later. Peace.